departure, Polar 752 Heavy, port level 230, Gobo 2.
Polar 752 Tokyo departure, radar contact, maintain 7000.
Maintain 7000, Polar 752. Polar 752 Heavy, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. We're having engine trouble currently. Request level at 2,300. Standby.
Polar 752, Roger, approved as requested.
Right turn 050, Polar 752 Heavy.
Roger, heading 050, approved.
Say again, heading Polar 752.
Stop.
Polar 752, confirm heading.
Heading 050, approved. Any heading approved.
Okay, heading 050, Polar 752.
Polar 752, power observed, right engine fire observed.
Right engine fire, roger.
Polar 752, request intention.
Ma'am, we're going to run our emergency checklist and we'll get back with you. Request we get out over the water and we'll advise our intentions. Request holding out over the ocean.
Polar 752, roger. Polar 752, any heading and any altitude approved as requested. Request full on board and remaining fuel.
Stand by for remaining fuel. We will climb and maintain 4,000, Polar 752, and currently requesting, you said any heading available. Will request heading 120.
What's that, 120 approved?
Approach Polar 752, request current landing conditions and runway available.
Polar 752, which runway do you request?
Request 34 left if able.
What's that, 34 left approved?
34 left, Polar 752.
ILS approach and visual approach both available request intention.
We will be requesting the ILS, Polar 752 Heavy.
Polar 752, Roger, expect ILS runway 34 left approach.
We'll expect 34 left approach ILS, Polar 752 Heavy.
Polar 752, report when ready to approach.
We'll report when ready for the approach, Polar 752 Heavy.
Polar 752, fly heading 170, exit ILS runway 34 left final approach call.
170, and currently Polar 752, we have approximately 10 hours of fuel on board. We may request fuel dumping. Stand by.
Polar 752, Roger, keep present heading and fuel dump approved.
Present heading 150, fuel dump approved once clear of the coast, Polar 752 Heavy.
Polar 752, after 10 miles flight, fuel dump approved.
Okay, after 10 miles, we're cleared to dump, Polar 752.
Polar 752, fly heading 120, and 10 miles flight.
Heading 120 now, Polar 752.
Polar 752, can you go direct to Bospa and hold?
Say point again, Polar 752.
Direct to Bospa, about 10 miles ahead of you 6. Bravo, Oscar, Sierra, Papa, Alpha.
Affirmative, we can go to Bospa and hold, Polar 752. Stand by.
Stop.
Requesting hold at Bospa with 10-mile leg, 096 inbound, turn to Polar 752.
096 10-mile leg, left down, copied, approved.
Approved, Polar 752.
Polar 752, contact approach 127.7.
127.7, Polar 752, entering the hold at Bospa now.
Roger.
Tokyo, Polar 752, heavy emergency, level 4,000, entering hold at Bospa, 10-mile legs.
Polar 752, Tokyo approach,
Stand by, sir. We're still running checklist for fuel dumping. We'll get back with you when we're ready to commence approach.
4752, you are able to start dump tour anytime. Let me know when you start tour dumping.
We will advise when we start dumping and we'll give you an estimate of when we will complete it. Stand by, Polar 752.
4752, if able, we want you to dump fuel at Support, Sierra Uniform Papa Oscar Kilo.
Requesting that we transition to Supak, Polar 752, roger.
Thank you, and report when ready for direct support.
Eva 1 to right, number 34 right.
Polar 752 proceeding direct Supak now. Confirm we will hold 101 inbound 10-mile legs.
4752, F1 direct to Supak and hold over Supak.
Direct Supak, hold over Supak, Polar 752.
4752 and report when ready for fuel dumping.
Polar 752, commencing jettison now.
4752, copy, you can start fuel dumping.
Thank you. Polar 752, estimate 1 minutes to dump for our maximum landing weight.
Roger, 1 minute, copy.
And Polar 752, upon landing, we will request assistance for towing off the runway.
Roger.
Polar 752, heavy, ready for the approach.
4752, Roger, lay clear direct to Gina, Golf, India, November Alpha.
Direct to Gina, Polar 752. Polar 752, heavy, establish losses of 3 ball left, Gina inbound.
4752, thank you. Contact Narita Tower, 118.2.
118.3, Polar 752. Narita Tower, Mayday, Polar 752, heavy, establish local length of 3 ball left.
Polar 752 Narita Tower, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 050 at 12.
Stage line runway 34 left, Polar 752. After landing, we are remaining on the runway and requesting assistance there. In case of misapproach, requesting radar entry.
Polar 752, Roger. In case missed approach, again please.
In case of misapproach, requesting radar vector, Polar 752.
Roger.
Polar 752, do you see any abnormal engine from your side?
Polar 752, no smoke, no smoke.
Thank you, Polar 752.